Did you know that roughly 80% of data jobs now require Python skills? That means one programming language is standing between you and your dream data engineering career. But here's the secret most tutorials won't tell you. You don't need a computer science degree or years of experience to break into this field. In the next 3 minutes, I'm going to walk you through a real-world data engineering project that can transform your resume from just another applicant to must-hire candidate. Here's what we're building today: a local environment for your Flask and Python application, a GitHub repository, and finally a Vercel deployment. By the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to copy this out on your own GitHub account, so you could present this as your own data engineering project with some modifications. First off, we're going to be trying to make a directory in Python, and then in that directory, we're going to do a git clone. We're going to be cloning a branch of the beginner repo. I will send the link below in the description. Here, we clone the repo, and after cloning it, we will be activating the environments and then downloading the dependencies existing inside the repo. So, we're in here. I just copy pasted it. It will take a while to download all the dependencies. But after that, we're going to be modifying the transformed data, or maybe you could just copy it for now. And then we're gonna need to make a GitHub repo called test repo. So let's name the repository in the GitHub test repo. And then, now that the repo exists, we're going to be uploading the code to GitHub through this bash scripts that we have. We're just going to set the remote URL depending on the URL of your GitHub repo. But in my case, it is the link I copied from the GitHub repo I created. You should use the link that you have copied from your GitHub repo too. And then we're going to do git add all, and then we're going to commit. It's up to you what commit message you want to have, but this is what I have. And then we're going to do a push. So basically, we're uploading our code to GitHub. When we do push, after pushing, we can see our code live on GitHub. And then next, we're going to do a Vercel deployment. Click on Add New Project. We're gonna import our existing GitHub repo that we made a while ago. Let's just call it test repo again. Then deploy straight to deployment. We're gonna wait for it to deploy in a bit. And then continue to dashboard. Now, let's test this API endpoint, if it really works or just how it works. So we're just gonna enter the script from PowerShell. We're just gonna run our code to open the CSV from the local device, and then API call to deployed Python code. And then after the API call, we download the new data frame into a CSV locally. Now, you could see that the previous CSV we have that has an email column has its email provider parsed in a new column. A very basic pipeline that transforms existing data into a new one to gain insights, something that you can modify to your own liking. Don't forget to check the description for the GitHub repo with the complete code and add your own customizations. If you have questions, leave them in the comments below. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more practical coding projects. Thanks for watching and happy coding!
Thank you.